Hi, this is Keith Norris, and this is a user training video. Next up, we're going to talk about Process Builder reports. These are the reports that you can generate when you use the Process Builder. The Process Step Activity Report is going to show you a listing of all of the activities that have taken place on a particular process. Here we are inside of a Plan Plus Online account. I'm on the Opportunities tab, View Reports. Scroll down here to the bottom of the page. So let's look at the Process Step Activity Report first. The first page that comes up is going to allow us to define some of the parameters around our report. The time frame of when the process steps were completed or reached, who completed or reached the process step, and whether the process step was completed or was reached. Now, the types of reporting that you're going to generate are going to determine whether you want to use completed or reached. Completed means that the step was finished and the opportunity is no longer at that step. Reached means that the opportunity landed at that step. So it's possible that something can reach a step more than once if it goes back and forth. And then here's the opportunities that we want to report on. In this example, I can select all. I'm just going to report on the seller process right here. Click Submit. Okay, here we have process steps, each one of the process steps listed in order. And here we have the users. On this report, there's just two users, my admin user and my Cameron user. So I can see that Cameron completed the new opportunity 4 times. That means he created 4 opportunities. He has completed the new listing signed initial twice and completed the new listing under contract once. Now let's go and show you what it will look like if you run this report based on the reached criteria. Go back to reports. We'll run the same report, this time for reached, on the seller process. So in this case, you'll see slightly different results from each one of these users. 4 listings signed, 1 under contract, 1 listing sold. This report right here, the reach report, is actually my own personal preference when running these process step reports. Okay, next we'll talk about the process step past due report. The process step past due report is also on the Views Reports page of Opportunities tab. We'll select Past Due Reports. This report has fewer options to choose from. I can select just certain users, I can select all users or user groups. I don't have any user groups created in this account, but if I did, I'd be able to select an entire group. And I can select 1 or more processes. I'm going to select all processes for this report. Submit, and here's my results. This is a list of all my opportunities that are past due, meaning that the due date for that opportunity is past. This is a great report from a management perspective to see if the leads are slipping through the cracks. This here is a real estate example, but this same report applies to any Plan Plus Online sales or business account and is very helpful for keeping track of all of your sales opportunities to make sure they don't slip through the cracks. This is a very unique feature of Plan Plus Online. From this report, you can click into any one of these opportunities. Here's a little trick I like to use. I like to use right-click, open in new tab, and that opens up that opportunity in a brand new tab. So if you want to go back to that report, you can do what you need to do with that opportunity, review it, and then you can go right back to your report and you can advance it. The final Process Builder report we're going to review in this video is the Current Assignments report. Just like the other reports, we're on the Opportunities tab under the View Report menu. Scroll down. This is right here. I'm going to click on this. In this report, I need to just select the process that I want to run the report on from the drop-down menu here. As soon as I select it, this report will show me by each process step how many opportunities are currently at that step. So you can see I've got 2, for instance, in the new listing signed step. Thank you for watching. This will conclude this video on the Process Builder.